Hi, welcome back to my channel. Right, today I've just cut the grass. I cut it yesterday. I've done that today. Not that good, but it's okay. Cut the grass with a Murray 18 volt. I think it cut 650 square meters. I've cut the lawn now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and I've got two bars left. Not a bad cut. I'm cutting it on number 4. It's not bad. Double battery. You can tells you what it is there. 29%, and that one will be 62. Yeah. So, what I don't like about it, grass still comes up for some reason. I don't know why, but it's in there properly. It's all fitted. Just done a double cut on the front. It hasn't been watered for 2 days, and it is drenched. Wetting agent. That works well, doesn't it? Oh well, wetting agent. But it's not the wetting agent that you would think. It's bath time for nonsense. So, give me 2 secs to do this a minute. Yeah, so the lawn got scarified. Oh, when was it? Oh, 24th of May, if I remember rightly. I'll put it in the comment below, and the link to the when I overseed it, and as you can see, it's thick. Just found a weed. I don't get many. It's one thick lawn. Some places it's still bare, but probably missed it with seed. It's not too bad, is it? Look. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment below, and if you like, smash that like button and